Okay, guys, how you doing? We are in the historical part of Flagstaff. Okay, it's a cute little town, this part of it. And see that there? It's called the Monte Vista Hotel. And, this is where everybody in town gets together and they have, you know how the ball drops in New York City? Well, at this place, they drop some sort of pine cone and everybody gets together here at the Motel Monte Vista to see the pine cone drop. I have no idea how big this pine cone is, but it's got to be pretty big. It's got to be pretty big. There's some poles up there. I don't know if they do it like New York does with their ball or whatever, but apparently everybody comes to town to see it. And I didn't know this, but also Flagstaff is known to get almost 100 inches of snow per year. Wow. Actually, right now they're still selling snow stuff, so I guess, you know, it could still snow right now in April. I know it has snowed in Indiana on Easter, because instead of coloring the eggs one time, all the adults just left them white and went out and threw them in the snow. It was still fun to go look at them, or find them. It was fun. I have to make a turn here because I saw something that hit my eye. It was pretty interesting, so I gotta go around the block. This is an adorable little town. I thought Flagstaff was some big city. Maybe I'm in the old part. That's it. That's what it's got to be. The historic part. Yeah, that's what we're going to go with. Coming around again. I think I have to take it easy today on the driving. My legs hurt a lot today, and I think it's from, driving. So I am going to get to someplace, and I'm going to stay there and not drive today. Alright, I don't know what this is, but... Oh, great, there's a little curb right in the middle of the parking lot. So, I'm going to have to turn around. I don't know, this looks like some kind of mosaic quilt type thing. I don't know, but it's pretty and it's colorful. Okay. Now how do I get over there? I don't want to go down that alley. Well, I guess I could have, but oop, can't go that way. What, honey? We're gonna stop in just a couple minutes as soon as I get this one thing, okay? Is that okay with you? Huh? Is that okay? Alright. Okay. This is the alley. I hope I don't regret going down here. Uh-oh. 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 We're gonna stand off here. Hold on. I did it, guys. I did it. God. Alright. Let me back it up since that guy isn't coming in here. Woo-hoo. Okay, this is one of them. Safety. Uh-oh, here comes that person. Yeah. This is growth. Connection. And trust. And this is the county adult probation office. Whoops. Oh, look at the building there. I love all the bricks. Rocks. Yeah, that's the word I'm groping for, rocks. Oh, gosh. Okay. Now I gotta get back on the road to the to find 15, no, not 15, 17 South. The place I want to go to now is only about 30 miles away, and that's not too much driving, but I can't take more than that right now, so I'll be back.